Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Dark green color, light green color, pink color, violet color, brown color, orange color, dark blue color, red color, purple color, yellow color, black color, sky blue color. Today we will learn some alphabets A, B, C, D. A for apple. K for king. S for sun. O for orange. B for broccoli. Q for queen. X for X-ray. F for flowers. H for hat. M for mango. T for toy. V for violin. C for cat. R for rainbow. Z for zero. E for elephant. J for juice. N for nurse. D for doll. I for ice cream. W for watermelon. G for grapes. L for lollipop. P for parrot. Y for yak. U for uniform. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.